Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to transcribe on your mobile phone. So when I say how to transcribe on your mobile phone, I mean the same thing as converting an audio to a text. Now this is actually quite easy to do if you are making use of Android and if you're making use of a Google Pixel phone. But if you're not using a Google Pixel phone, just go ahead and download this recorder by Google LLC. Make sure it's recorder by Google LLC. You can see it, and this is the logo. Make sure you get it. Now it might not be compatible for a lot of devices, but it's compatible for a lot of the latest Android version. Now if you have that enabled or you have that installed, go ahead and have it open. So when you open this, I have already recorded previously. So now you can start recording by clicking on this mic icon. Now if you click on this mic icon and you start recording, everything you are going to be recording is going to be transcribed automatically. Now let me assume that I'm done with my recording. You can actually see the transcribe word right here. Let me just save it up and then play. This is exactly what I was saying when I started. So now if you have all of this, you can actually click on it and then select everything, and then you copy it out, and then you go to, let's say, any notepad. I don't think I have any notepad on my device. Okay, there is a note. So just go to any notepad or just go to any typing area and then you paste it. So when you paste this, you can probably convert it to anything, or you just have a note and then you save it up. So this is actually how you transcribe on your mobile, and you can convert this to any language by making use of Google Converter. So guys, this is all I want to show you. If you have further question, you can leave it on the comment section. If you're making use of Samsung phone, I already made video about that. And if you're making use of iPhone, I have a video about that also. So I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have further question. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.